Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today what I'm gonna be doing is a little bit of homework, packing my bag up because I actually don't like the bag that my stuff is in currently. So hold on. I originally had all my stuff in this bag, so I'm just gonna be changing it. Hold on, give me 1 second now. So we are now just gonna put my gym stuff in this bag because it was switched, but I think this bag would be good for gym because I barely have anything for that. So we just do this. That's really it for the gym girl. And now we're gonna move this bag to where it really belongs. I'm doing a room tour because I have to decorate my room. And no babe, we're not doing that. We're not doing an unfinished nothing, babe. So no. Look at my living room right now, y'all. I'm like literally unpacking. I'm trying to do I'm trying to keep the momentum to pack unpack like 3 boxes every three boxes every time I unpack. So because I'm balancing school, work, and school is a lot. I'm taking summer classes, and if you know, summer classes are like so fast. You gotta keep up, you gotta keep up, you gotta keep up. It's like you running track, baby. But yeah, so this is the salad that I bought earlier from Chick-fil-A. So I didn't get to eat all of it, but now I'm gonna eat the rest of it because why doesn't Chick-fil-A carry a Caesar salad? I don't want no avocado, and I'm tired of buying ranch. Why don't they ever have Caesar salad dressing? So I'm literally just about to put this on there because I love Caesar salad. I love the dressing on it. I can have a plain salad. It doesn't even have to be Caesar salad. I could just have a plain salad and put that dressing on it. And baby, it will do the job. And I would start an ASMR channel, you know. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be doing my homework, watching a few videos. When it's smoke, bet the ops gon' duck it. We kick smoke up, they kick bucket. Break up with your bitch, it's over. Pretty bitch, but it gets scary October. I'm not the bitch to play with, I told them. When I get mad, I lose my composure. Hoes don't want no smoke, they want exposure. He wanna eat it again just for closure. If he a slut, I might let him come over. Hey y'all, so I'm watching this live from Shira.
This is the Shira's goddess channel.
I'm gonna mute it.
Stuff from Shira. Okay.
I'm gonna mute it, but what we're gonna do, because I did the homework, I'm tapping out. I did like one assignment and I did a quiz. I'm gonna do the other one in class and the due date and everything. But what we're gonna be doing is, sorry, hold on. Putting in my bathroom thing. So okay, y'all just gonna have to see the transformation because the tripod is not tripoding and y'all can't see all the way up there. So I'll see you guys later when I'm done. The before and after. So now it's so cute. I'm debating if I'm gonna just move this and like put it all the stuff into there or what. I might debate and just probably give this away. I don't know, but I really love this. It's really nice. So yeah. So that's really all I did. I want to show you guys something though. Look at this. Hold on. Oh wow, what is that? It's so me. Okay, bye. I might be unpacking some stuff, so I might record that as well. So stay tuned. So right now, like, I went through this box of stuff that I had. And I'm like, okay, I have like nail stuff to do, my nails. I'm gonna keep this box just because it's the smallest box that I have. I wish I had something like a little bit smaller because it looks empty, but I'm gonna keep this because it just has all my nail stuff, and say I just don't have the time or the funds to do my nails, I would do them my damn self, but I prefer getting them done because I don't really know what I'm doing. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this up and I'll be back. I am going to be organizing my seasonings. So we have part of these like stickers to put on it. My hair looks crazy right now, but I really don't care. And this is the season stuff. So we're gonna start off with, okay, and all the seasons are over there. So basically,
listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do it. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get me, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. Take me
And that's it for tonight, guys. Thank you guys for joining, because I'm not gonna do all the seasons on camera, but I did want to catch some stuff that I'm doing to organize my apartment and stuff. Bye, y'all, with my crusty ass lips. Adios.